how is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to the brand new episode of Best Android Applications. Guys, I've got you some of the amazing apps that every Android user needs to download for the month of April. All these are super useful and I'm sure you will end up installing at least a couple of apps from this video, and I'll also be giving away a bunch of promo codes. So if you want to win one, make sure you watch the entire video. With that being said, let's aim for at least 2000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, starting things with a brand new app which is still in the early access stage, but it already has so much to offer. The app is called Whisperian and it's basically a voice dictation tool made for anyone who doesn't like typing on their phones. Once you install and set it up, you can either use it as a voice keyboard or activate the smart floating toolbar, which can also be accessed directly from your lock screen. So you can start recording and convert your speech into text right from your phone's lock screen without having to unlock your device every time. Now this floating bubble is not only customizable where you can adjust the height and width, but it also lets you directly change and switch between different profiles without needing to go into the app every single time. You can have custom profiles like chatting, professional email, conversation, translate to Spanish, and depending on your need, you can set a specific profile while speaking into your phone. For example, if I set it to professional email, it not only transcribes everything that I speak, but also automatically converts it into an email format that I just need to copy and paste. Not just that, if you go ahead and turn on the voice keyboard feature, it gets seamlessly integrated into your keyboard from where you can easily start transcribing everything you speak, and above you get options to change the format as well. The best part, it supports up to 10 different cloud AI providers for transcriptions and post-processing, so you get an advanced dictation tool which seamlessly gets integrated into your Android phone, providing one of the best speech-to-text experience with error corrections and different formatting options too. I also like how the app doesn't require any sign-ups and all your recordings are preserved safely in case the device crashes, which is again a great thing. Definitely check this one out. All the links are provided in the description below. Next up, we've got an incredible productivity app that's been a game changer for my workflow, and it's called AkiFlow. If you are tired of jumping between bunch of different apps just to see what your day looks like, you need to check this one out. It's a task and calendar management tool that pulls everything into one clean, streamlined dashboard. It connects with all the potential apps and tools you are likely using on daily basis, such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, Notion, Microsoft Teams, and many more. And the magic happens once you are connected. AkiFlow automatically imports and syncs your tasks and events in real time. You can just drag a task from your list and drop it directly onto your calendar, so you don't really have to jump between different tabs or windows just to keep track of your day. You can manage them all in one place. They also have a built-in AI assistant called Aki, which is super helpful for scheduling out your upcoming days, and you don't have to manually create your task. Now for the data nerds like me, there is a stats dashboard which gives you a full breakdown of your productivity trends, helping you figure out where your time is actually going so you can optimize your workflow. AkiFlow is fully cross-platform, so it's available on your desktop, and of course you can also download the mobile application on your iOS or Android to stay updated on the go. Overall, if you're looking for a powerful daily planner to handle your tasks, meetings, and priorities in one place, then AkiFlow is a must-have. And the best part, you can sign up for the free trial from the link in the description below. So definitely give this one a try. At number 3, we've got one interesting icon pack which I'm currently using on my Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and it's called Nothing Material U Icons. These are clean looking, high quality, shapeless icons that perfectly follows Google's material design with a tint of Nothing's minimalist approach, and they beautifully get adapted to the wallpaper you have applied on your phone. Once you apply this icon pack, it does make your home screen aesthetically pleasing to look at, and it comes with over 5,500 icons that could easily cover 90% of the apps you have installed on your phone. Not just the icons, the app also offers a really good collection of native widgets that you can apply directly onto your home screen without having to install any other app on your phone. You simply need to select the one that you like and click on Add to Home Screen. Here it even allows you to resize the widget as well. And lastly, you also get some really good collection of wallpapers too. So this single app has got you covered with everything that you're gonna need to customize your home screen. And I also like how they've designed this whole interface. It looks modern with smooth and fluid animations. Now the only downside is that the app is not free, it is paid, but thanks to the developer I do have 30 promo codes to give away. If you want to win one, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Next up, we have an app called Wall. This app turns your music album cover into a dynamic lock screen as well as home screen wallpapers, and every time you change the music track, wallpaper changes automatically into the album art which you are currently listening to. I think if you're someone who gets really bored looking at the same static wallpaper every time you pick up your phone, then this app is a must-have for you. In order to set it up, just allow all the required permissions, then select all the music apps on your phone. In the app, you can also adjust the blur effect, change the cover position, adjust the height and width, and further customize how the album art looks on your lock screen. Once done, simply hit on the save button. That's it. Now whenever you play music on your phone, you will get a fresh looking dynamic home screen as well as lock screen wallpaper. For the price of free, I'll highly recommend you to give this app a try. Link is in the description below. Next app on our list is called Paper Knife. It's a free open source application that has a collection of useful tools to help you manage your PDF files. We have got options to merge multiple files, compress or split pages, and even you can protect your PDFs with a password. Not just that, if you go into the All Tools section, here you get more features that can reduce file size with different quality. Then you can convert PDFs into images or documents. You can add your signature if there is any requirement, and all of these are completely free to use. So now you can do a lot of amazing stuff related to PDFs directly on your smartphone. And the best part is that the app has a really good looking UI with no ads. It is not available on the Play Store, but you can download it directly from the link given in the description below. Finally, we have an app called Pocket Calci. So this is a powerful calculator that has all the built-in tools to help you with basically anything mathematical or finance related. Once you open up the app, you will be greeted with this nice looking interface where we get plenty of tools such as EMI calculator. You can calculate your taxes. Then we get tools that can help you make better decisions related to your investment. You can even calculate your monthly incomes, government schemes, and there are loads of useful tools you get inside this single app. So if you want to calculate anything, just select that and then put in your numbers, whether it's basic math, finance, loan payments, or even stock calculations. This app is your one-stop solution for all your daily mathematical needs. It is totally free to download, and I really like how the whole interface is so simple and easy to use. Definitely give it a try. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the best Android applications that you need to download for the month of April. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.